guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Kitty here, and today we are playing Pet Escape. It's a very fun game. So basically we're like these pets and um we have to like escape the little thingy. I haven't played
Uh,
this game in like 4 years.
yeah, same.
Random doors will
I'm
open escape before the catcher gets you. Now where are you, girl Chi?
the catcher.
I see you. Wait, that means I can just like chill by you. Hi. Hey,
Oh,
why'd you actually catch me?
I didn't know if it was you or not.
It was me. The one that's gonna go really close up to you is me. Okay, I'm like with a couple of people. Oh, I've been captured.
By who?
I think it's a blondie.
I'm right by her.
I see you uncapture me.
Where are you?
Wait, but this person is touching me. How come I'm not? Okay, let's go. I need to run for the exit, but you're gonna let me run for the exit. Because I don't want the blondie to catch me. Okay, girl. So you're probably gonna see me now.
Okay.
Oh, you're camping.
I'm not. Run, girlie, run! Run!
Okay, I got this. I'm gonna lose, like, I only have like a couple seconds. She saw me.
What fuck? Did I get the bird or not?
I think you did. I saw a bird that was captured, so like,
I think I did get him.
she's gonna capture me, she's gonna capture me. Help me, help me, help me.
It's so boring when you're not. Okay.
Oh, I've been captured. I lost.
I got $15.
I got 10 because I lost. How much does it? Oh, these skins are expensive.
Yep. For black, it's like $100.
I want to be Cobra. It's my favorite wild animal.
Not in the game.
I've barely ever played this game.
The birds are creeping me out, Loki.
I see the seeker. I see the seeker. She's right there. She's right there.
Wait, what color hair is the girl?
I think she's like brunette.
Oh, oh no, it's
Yeah,
her.
she's a brunette.
Oh no,
Wait, can you see her from where you are?
I'm just worried. Like, I think I found a good hiding spot. It's like
I'm like
behind the
I'm like
curve.
behind a shelf.
I'm like in a curved thingy. Like you can only see me when you look from like right where I am,
There's
but
like a bear close to me.
you like go here, then you jump there.
That's so cool. Oh no no no.
It's hide and seek again.
I like hide and seek.
I don't like it.
I
I
honestly
hate it.
don't know where to go.
Same. My name's Art the Diva.
I'm gonna go where my last hiding spot was in like the shelf.
I don't know where that is. I'm scared.
Behind the green save your pets thing.
I don't know where that is. But I am at like a green spot. Like the section is green.
Why does that bunny look like a monster?
Why is there a bunny?
It looks like a monster.
I'm scared. Where are you? I see clouds and more.
Oh, I don't see you by the bunny.
Oh, maybe it's other bunny.
Yeah, probably.
I'm like at the middle.
Oh, I'm like at the side,
What side?
like in a corner.
Oh, what color is the place we are?
Mostly blue. Then there's a
Okay,
shelf with green things.
you mean okay? I'm just like trying to get a place to hide. I don't even know where the what's it called? Seeker hider thingy is.
Sh- oh, are you getting chased?
She saw me. I'm
Excuse me?
getting nothing.
I love Pet Escape. I'm the catcher!
Don't get me.
Find all the escaped pets. Hide and seek. Oh. Okay. I won't catch you.
Okay, thanks.
I'm gonna get everybody like so good. Bro, your sticker grew. I see it. I see someone.
Not me.
Then I'm gonna catch it. Hey, I caught you. Excuse. Excuse me? How did that just happen?
How am I gonna jump onto that?
How do you catch these freaking animals?
I don't know. I just go close to them and then I click.
I do click, but they won't get in my little net thing.
You gotta get like close to them.
I was on it.
I see you.
Where are you?
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm scared you're gonna get me.
I'm not gonna get you.
Sure.
I already told you at the beginning I'm not gonna get you. I'm just gonna lose. Eh.
It doesn't work for you because I can.
I don't wanna get rabies.
I
I
can
think I
hide in
see
that.
someone who has Loki got rabies.
Who?
I'm hiding in a curved thing.
I'm hiding under a bench.
How do you tell if they have rabies or not?
I don't know. Just guess. I'm on top of shelves. Okay,
Yes,
I'm just like doing obbies right now.
I think I might have saw you.
Did you?
It's just infecting. It's trying to infect that cat over there. Oh, I'm so glad that's not me. It's Loki so dark.
Is the rabies not
Mommy,
close to
where
me
are
as
you?
well?
Ishimi Wiki.
Yeah, we're so. Oh, yay!
You're the most valuable potato?
I got $40.
Wait. Oh, I can almost buy my first skin.
Oh, really? I can buy my first skin.
What? Show me.
Okay. Anyways,
Oh, I just heard your little
um,
shenanigans.
what the what? I'm doing obbies. Bum 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 bum
Ugh,
bum
I'm
bum
trying
bum.
to like get up here. Ugh. What? Why are you
I
screaming?
saw I saw the catcher. It's a bacon.
I know, I saw it earlier. I thought it was coming for me.
But he's just standing there, to be honest.
I'm doing the obby with the green thing now.
With the green thing. Okay.
You know, when we saw this person with the rabies, we were on the obby with the green thing.
Oh, are you here? I'm
Yeah,
jumping.
I'm jumping.
Oh.
Hi.
Hey. No one will get us here.
Yeah, we super slick.
Ah, I see the catcher.
Hmm? Oh, oh, oh. He's Loki gonna try to get up. I got I got this. I'm pro. I'm pro. Don't worry.
Oh, he's right there.
He's right there. He's right there. Why is he just whacking air?
Why is he jumping and whacking? Is he seeing stuff we don't see?
Oh no no.
Look at that!
Don't jump off.
I'm running away.
He's he's not even. Ah! I'm running. Yay! Wait, what? You? Excuse me. How are you most valuable player?
I don't know. Maybe I just am.
I have 125. How much you got?
I got money. I have 180.
Oh, that's nice. Rabies.
The damn rabies.
I don't like the rabies. Okay, let's try to get to like the middle with the thing.
Okay. Do you want
Uh,
to go on that green thingy again?
yeah, I'm already there.
Ooh, I have a plan. I'm gonna see if I can do something.
Shoot, I fell.
Oh, so you know that spiral thingy in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't. I wanted to like climb up it. Yo, mama. Okay. Um.
Mm. The lion has
Okay.
rabies.
I'm like you scared.
The lion has rabies. Oh, the bunny has rabies too. Mommy,
Ah, she's fake.
help me! I think I'm getting chased. No, Mom! I'm getting chased.
Did you get rabies?
No, but I'm. Oh, my screen is getting dark because I need to plug it in, but I can't because I'm getting chased.
Just try to break its ankles.
It's really hard.
It can't be that hard.
I'm trying to plug in my phone right now. Oh, I wasn't looking. Now I'm infected.
Why? I I think I saw a white bunny. Ah, I'm getting chased. No, I've been infected.
I'm chasing this crocodile over here.
I was infected.
That's sad.
Were you also infected?
Nope.
Really?
Wait, I'm joking. I am. I want to infect him, not you.
Get him!
Come here.
I got him!
Oh, I wanted to get him.
I used the secret pathway.
I
But yeah,
earned
I'm back.
0. Thanks a lot, fish.
I got 20.
Okay, well, guys, that's the end of this video. Please make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye.